Meet Brian, a national boxer and student at IIHS Multiversity, pursuing an advanced diploma in physiotherapy. Hailing from Cedur, Brian's journey to success began at Stella College in Negombo. With a passion for sports and a drive to help others, Brian is on a mission to become a global physiotherapist through the IIHS James Cook University, Australia pathway. As a member of the IIHS Student Council, Brian has been involved in various community projects and research initiatives, developing his skills and making a positive impact. Join IIHS Multiversity and unlock your potential. Become a part of a community that supports your passions and helps you achieve your goals.
IIHS allowed me to pursue my dreams and achieve my goals. I'm excited to become a global physiotherapist and make a difference in people's lives. IIHS has been my launchpad to success. From academics to sports, I had the opportunity to excel in every area. Join IIHS and discover the good life that awaits you. Your future starts here.